If you're one of those who think vlogging is very difficult, you could be shy, scared, or any other thing, well, I'm glad to let you know that vlogging is very simple and I'll tell you why. But before then, what is a vlog or what is vlogging? Vlogging is the act of creating video content, unlike blogging that has to do with strictly articles, write-ups, copywriting, and anything that has to do with writing. But vlogging has to do with picture, images, videos, and all of that. So for YouTube channel vlogging or for YouTube vlogging, a lot of persons feel it is very difficult. Some persons feel they are giving out a lot to the public, or they are living a lie, or they don't have private lives or privacy anymore. But vlogging is storytelling, is an act of storytelling, and you give an audience or the public what you want them to know. You don't have to bring out your private life to vlog. If you've started your YouTube channel for vlogs and other things and you find it so difficult to vlog, then I totally understand your fears. Well, vlogging is very simple because it is not necessarily scripted. Unlike sit down videos, tutorial videos that you'd have to make research, sit down, write, and put down what you're going to say. Of course, you need to gather knowledge in order to give out to people. But vlogging is quite easier than sit down and tutorial videos because vlogging is majorly storytelling, and that storytelling has to do with you, either indoors or outdoors. You're carrying people along in your daily lives. It centers around lifestyle. So if you're going into vlogging, it is about lifestyle, whether you are doing it indoor or outdoor. So the first thing you should consider before you start vlogging, or even when you've started, basically for beginners, is that you can start with your phone. You don't need all the gadgets. Vlogging is storytelling with yourself by yourself. So it's like you're carrying people along with you. So you just need your phone. That's it. And if you can afford microphone and lights, there's this influencer light you can just clip to your phone and vlog. But if those things are not available, then you can make you, if it's an indoor vlogging, then you can open your windows and make good use of your natural light. Yes, it works that way. And if you can get the influencer light and always clip to your phone when you want to vlog, then it's cool. Most times you don't even need a tripod because you're moving around, you're trying to do some stuff, you're carrying people along and all of that. Time is coming that you will need tripod, of course, and when you can afford it, then you should get one. And when you can afford sound microphone, then you should get it. Okay, so you need just your phone to begin. Secondly, you need to carve out a niche for yourself. Well, vlogging basically is about lifestyle. So you could do tutorial while vlogging. Yes, that works, but it still falls under lifestyle, because if you're doing tutorial, you're vlogging, you're telling story, you're carrying people along, you're educating people, it is still lifestyle. Okay, you could be vlogging and still be teaching people something. You could be vlogging without even saying, okay, this is how to do this is how to do that. But from your vlogs, people will pick up a lot of things, people will learn a lot of things. So it still falls back to lifestyle. Pick a niche for yourself. If it's lifestyle, then just have it at the back of your mind that lifestyle involves doing a lot. It can involve cooking, it can involve hair making, like a lot of things. You can still inculcate tutorials in your lifestyle vlogs. So picking a niche is not also difficult. It's still around lifestyle. And I think vlogs cover lifestyle. Yes. So the number three thing is to be natural. Yes, just be yourself. You don't have to live a lie. You don't have to tell a lie. You don't have to act it. You don't have to become an actor because you want to vlog or you want people to believe your lifestyle or to see something that is not real. So if it's an indoor vlog, then it should be natural. If it's an outdoor vlog, it should still be natural. That doesn't mean you won't edit them. It doesn't mean you won't have to take out some clips or remove some things that you don't want people to see. Like I said, if you want to bring out your private life to the public or to your audience and community, fine. you can do that, but you can choose not to. So vlogging doesn't mean you have to bring out, okay, how you sleep in your bedroom, how you snore, or how you eat and all of that. You can choose to take out what you don't want people to see from your lifestyle. Okay, so you have to be natural still. You don't have to act anything. You don't have to lie that you only eat basmati rice or you only eat chicken and all of that, but behind the scene, you don't eat them and everything. You don't have to. There are a lot of people who live in the village, or I heard some people, I learned some people actually go to the village and settle there just to create content for a period of time, or they go there to create content from their urban areas and come back. Wow, I'm surprised. So you don't, I've seen a lot of vloggers living in the village and they are doing well. I've seen a lot of vloggers who are just natural, they are just themselves. They don't form, they don't say, okay, because I don't have a mansion, I can't do this. And I'm quite encouraged. I'm like, wow. The thing is mindset and your confidence. If you're able to do away with shyness and you're able to embrace your confidence, your self-esteem, you're able to deal with low self-esteem and all of that. If it's something you love to do, then my darlings, you can do it. You don't need anything, just your smartphone.